Introducing the Edan Sonotrax Basic A Fetal and Vascular Doppler. Inside your Sonotrax sales kit, you will find a zipper bag containing the main unit, batteries, and quick reference card. You will also find a user manual loose in the bottom of the box. To prepare your device for operation, remove the unit from the zipper bag. On the rear of the unit, you will find a battery hatch with a small button on the bottom. Simply depress the button and remove the battery compartment. Once the battery compartment is removed, you'll see the correct orientation for the batteries. Insert them into the compartment, and reinsert the compartment into the rear of the unit. Your Sonotrax is now ready for operation.
Please note, a vascular probe is available for the Sonotrax unit. To connect the vascular probe, simply disconnect the fetal probe from the bottom of the unit. Grab your vascular probe and plug in correct.
To operate your Sonotrax device, you will find a handful of controls on the main unit. On-off, volume control, mode control, start-stop button for recording. You will also find a headphone jack on the top to divert audio from the speaker.
Apply ultrasound gel to the probe and then apply to the patient. Adjust the probe's position until steady readings begin to come through to the device. If you have any further queries, please contact the Zone Medical Office.